Hello, I'm going to share with you the evidence that there is a science of astrology. And in my opinion, the strongest evidence that there is a science of astrology is a study on gold prices conducted by Linda Berry in the year 2014. What Linda did is a hypothesis test. She stated a hypothesis, collected the data, and the results of her research supported the hypothesis. Also, what's impressive about Linda's study is that there is a prior body of similar research. For example, the research that I conducted on the data collected by Mikhail Gauquelin uses the same theoretical framework that Linda used in her study. And in this study by Linda, there's a careful and sophisticated analysis that controls for possible bias and other issues that come up in scientific research. This study is transparent and replicable, all the details are given, and it uses a simple concept or formula. These are all reasons why this study is very impressive. So, what did Linda find? This will get slightly technical, but I don't know how to share the results without getting a little bit technical. What Linda did is she took a formula that was obtained from exploratory research. In the earlier exploratory research, we came up with a formula for predicting gold prices, an astrological formula, and the correlation that was obtained in that exploratory research was 0.06 to 3 decimal points, 0.057, and a p-value less than 0.01. In Linda's replication study, the hypothesis test, using the same formula that was obtained in the exploratory research, we expect the effect size, measured as a correlation, to go down a little bit, but not drastically. Exactly what happened. Went from 0.057 to 0.04. She had a much smaller sample size than the original study. This will result in a higher p-value, even with the similar effect size, and the p is 0.14. And we also found that using a more consistent formula than the original formula using the hypothesis, the correlation went up to 0.05 and the p-value went down to 0.09. Now, all that's a little bit technical. The bottom line is the results are exactly what we had hoped for. So these are very positive results in a hypothesis test. So the conclusion is there is solid quantitative research being done in astrology. Even some astrologers are not aware of this. And the results are very positive. It's ongoing research, and at this point in time, the results are not 100% conclusive. They're very positive, and each research study produces more and more positive results. We keep learning things from each study, and the ongoing research is either going to continue to be positive and ultimately lead to a confirmation that astrology is a science, or it will contradict the results that have been obtained so far. So it's very exciting. We'll see what happens. If you want to learn more about this study, I provide a link here. You can watch a more complete tutorial video about it, and in that more complete tutorial video, there are references to the complete technical papers that are posted online. Okay, thank you very much for listening. God bless. Namaste.